What is up? Welcome to this video. In this video we are going to look at how to parse JSON and in Python. So JSON is a lightweight data interchange format that is readable by humans and machines alike. Python's built-in JSON module makes working with JSON data simple and efficient. The model provides methods to convert between JSON and Python data structures, mapping JSON objects to dictionaries, arrays to lists, and preserving strings, numbers, Boolean values appropriately. So we are going to look at parsing JSON in practical examples. Here's a string of code which you can pause and try out in your VS Code or PyCharm or any development environment you are working with. So try to work with this code. Let us know how it works. This is to parse a JSON string, and then we also have another one to parse a JSON file. Do well to pause this video and then let us know how it went. For complex JSON, nested objects become nested dictionaries, and you have to use try except with json.json decode error to handle malformed JSON safety. That's it for now in this video. If you have any questions, do well to post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching.